in exercise, our first type of question, that is take the correct answer. And take the correct answer. Our first question is, the dash wake up in the morning. So who wake up in the morning? I know that you know the answer, so don't tell me now. First we'll write down the question. First, the dash wakes up early in the morning. Our options are A. Flower, B. Bees, C. Insect. So what will be the answer? The answer will be bees. So we will take here. If you have a space here, you can write here also in the given space. As I have space, so I am writing it here. If you don't have no problem, you can just simply take here. Okay, so moving on to our next question. So our next question is, the bee flies from dash. The bee flies from dash. Our options are A. Flower to flower, B. Plant to plant, C. Tree to tree. So as in the poem it has written, the bee flies from where to where? It flies from flower to flower. So what will be the right answer? The right answer will be flower to flower. So we'll tick here. Again, if you have a space here, then you write here, or if you don't have, no problem in that. So I'll write here, the bee flies from flower to flower. Flower to flower. Write it down, students, then we'll move to our next question. The bee collects honey from dash. Our options are A. Pots, B. Bottle, and C. Flower. So bee prepares honey from what? Which juice she collects and she collect in her beehive? Yeah, the option, you know the answer. She collects honey from flowers and then she keeps that juices, collected juices, in their beehive. So here the answer will be flower. So we'll write it down here also. Moving on to the next question, and our next question is, the bee stores honey in what? Now only I have told you the answer, I know, no problem. You know the answer, that is good. So we'll write it down. Our next question, the bee store honey in the bees collect their honey in the dash. Tell me the answer. Our options are, what are our options? Let's see. Our first option is boat. Second option is behave. And our third option is stomach. What is the right option? The right option is B, correct. She collects honey and store in her behave. So students, write it down fastly. Question type is fill in the blanks with the help of given bracket. So we'll write here fill in the blanks with the help of So our first question is, the honeybee lives where? Our first question is, honeybee lives in dash. Our options are behave and nest. So we'll make a bracket just behind the box. If you don't have the space here, you can write it down here also, downside of the question. Okay, I have a space, so I'm making my bracket here only. If you don't have, you can make it here. So behave and nest. What will be the correct answer? Honeybee live where? It lives in behave. Yeah, correct. So we'll write here behave. After writing it down here, you can tick also for your convenience. So I'm ticking it right beside this. Okay. And now moving on to our next question. Question is, honeybee collects honey from our options are fruits, flower. What are our options? Our options are fruit and flower. So honeybee collects honey from, yeah, correct, flowers. So we'll write here flowers and we will take down here. Okay. Now moving on to our next question, that is, honeybee stores honey in the, where she collects honey in, where she stores her honey. I know you know the answer as we have read in the poem. So first we will write it down, our question, honeybee store honey in the dash. Options are So here are two options. What are the options? That are races and behave. So what we will write here, where she stores her honey and where she lives. Yes, correct answer is behave. So we will write it down here, behave, and we will take it here. Now moving on to our next question. Honeybee is always dash. What is honeybee is always? What it is? She is busy or sitting idle? First we will write down our question. Honeybee is always dash. Our options are busy and slash idle. So what is honeybee? It is repeatedly told in the poem that honeybee is always busy. So we will write here busy and we will just simply take it here. Honeybee makes dash for all. Options are jam and honey. So what honeybee makes? Jam or honey? She makes jam. No, she makes honey. So we will write here honey and we'll take it here. So this was all about this chapter. So we have ended up with completed all the exercises, and you have in your book there is third question also. Join the dots and color the picture. Color the beautiful butterfly in the book. So you have to just join the dots and color it very nicely, and that's all. Your chapter is finished. Thank you.